In this video, we're going to show you how to install a battery on your Ford Focus located under your hood. With the hood open, locate your battery on the passenger side portion of the engine compartment. Use a 10mm shallow socket or wrench on the nut here. Now we did go ahead and spray this down with some rust penetrant to go ahead and hopefully loosen up that corrosion that was on there a little bit, and then wiggle this free. I want to go ahead and work this up and off of the terminal. Pull that up and off. Use some spray solvent on that terminal, and if you happen to have a brass bristle brush, go ahead and clean up around that terminal. And then spray it again just to clean it up. Inspect that connector, make sure everything is clean. Peel back the rubber boot, locate the nut here, it's a 10mm. You can use a wrench or your ratchet, 10mm. Good, disconnect that. Make sure that terminal is clean. And the clamp itself. Across the top center here we have the cross brace. I'm going to go ahead and remove this little protective rubber cap here. Use a 10mm deep socket. Loosen and remove that nut. On the back side here, I want to go ahead and work this up and off. 10mm socket. Remove that nut. I'm going to set those aside. Now right here is an 8mm bolt. Loosen and remove this. Remove that bracket. We'll set that aside. Now some batteries will have a handle or a strap on there. Ours does not. Let's give it a little wiggle. It is loose. Now we'll go ahead and reach in there. We do recommend wearing gloves. Pull out the battery. Remove it. Go ahead and grab that battery. Lower it down into the tray. Go ahead and grab the support bracket. Make sure that your cables are out of the way there. Install this bolt here. Grab the securing nuts here. Snug this down. Snug down the two nuts. Now when doing this here, it doesn't have to be super tight. What this is doing is simply holding the battery in place. You don't want to over tighten this and crush the battery. Okay, and slide that on. If you happen to have the protective rubber cap for the stud right here, you can pop that in place. Install the positive side here. Run that nut down as far as you can. And then grab your ratchet. You want to go ahead and snug this down. Now once it bottoms out, you want to give it a couple more turns. You want to make it snug enough where you can grab this here and it won't spin. It's pretty tight. If you have the protective rubber boot, go ahead and slide that up and over. Grab the ground terminal. Connect that. Let's go ahead and snug that down. Give it a whirl, make sure it's nice and tight, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.